I know, but then you gotta say, you gotta be able to do it and just get it back. That's what I'm just saying that, get it back. Hi everybody! Oh my god, wait a minute, give me 2 minutes. Hi y'all doing? Oh my goodness, I have missed y'all so much. I have been on the road doing my promotions and everything, and I just been so busy I haven't been able to talk to y'all. Oh my goodness, I missed y'all so much. Well listen, baby, I got some good news, baby. Aliva is coming back, baby. Yes, I am. I'm going to be having some more talk shows. I'm going to be talking about different stuff. And, baby, I got my own cooking network. Boom. Move out, Paula Dine. I know that's right. Because I'm going to be cooking. I'm going to be telling y'all some good stuff to do. And if you hear the background music, that's Kim. Yeah, Kim came out with a CD this year, baby. Listen, if you ain't got it, you is lost. Okay? Because that is a banger song. What's that song? What is it? Let me see if I can change your man. Look, I don't sing, but you know what? Y'all need to go and get that CD. But anyway, listen, Aliva gonna be coming back with some topics. We gonna be having some discussions, and the family coming back, baby. Yes, Aliva, Believer, and Ariva is coming back to baby. And Miss Mabel Jenkins and Lazarus, yeah, my uncle and my auntie, they gonna be back doing some segments, some church stuff. Okay, so without further ado, I'm gonna be seeing y'all later. I got what? Oh, okay. All right. I'll be in a minute. So, in a few minutes, I'm going to probably upload some stuff maybe later. I don't know. It depending if they let me have a break. They love Aliva, baby. They just love Aliva. But look, I'm going to be coming to you with some more stuff. So, don't worry. Stay tuned. Be blessed.